Hi, welcome to Edupedia World. Today we are going to learn what is accounting information, the types of accounting information, users of accounting information and their needs. So let's understand what is accounting information. While we do business or while we are running a business on day-to-day basis, as owners or as the management, we need to know a lot of things. For example, what are the dues to our suppliers who are selling raw materials to us? What are the receivables from the customers whom we are selling our products? What is the profit in a particular period or a month? What are the overhead costs? So all these informations are required from time to time in running a business. So we keep track of all these transactions and lot of information is generated, and these are collectively known as accounting information. Please note that all these informations are monetary in nature. These accounting informations can be divided in three broad categories: financial, cost and management. Now let's understand these one by one. Financial information are basically records of all the transactions done for a business, like purchases, sales, payment of salaries, wages, then buying of assets, paying the liabilities, and then finally all these informations are summarized into final accounts. Then second is cost information or costing information. It is basically the data related to the expenditure, the expenses, or the cost of buying raw materials, cost of buying services, cost of labor, and all these cost related information helps in fixing of sale price or selling price for our products which we are manufacturing or the services we are providing. These cost related information helps in controlling various kind of costs or the expenses incurred in a business. And the third category is management information. It is basically combination or mix of both financial and cost information. The management or the people who are running the business need both financial and cost information for various kind of decision making. For example, they need to make budget for all the purchases, the salaries to be paid, how much loan will be required, how much money will be required in addition to regular funds for buying assets or for the expansion of the business. So all these are basically management accounting related information. Now let's understand who are the users of accounting information. There are many users of accounting information or the accounts we prepare. For example, the owners of the business, the management or the people who are running the business, the lenders to the business like banks or the money lenders. Then there are creditors or the suppliers to the business, then the tax authorities, the potential investors in the business, the labor union, and all these users can be divided into two main categories or groups, that is internal and external. Internal users are the owners, the stakeholders, and the management or the people who are managing the business on day-to-day basis. The owner needs accounting information to understand whether they are getting the kind of return they had expected from the business, whether it is running as per their objective or not. And the management needs the accounting information to keep check on various factors of the business or various areas in the business to get the desired result or to take corrective action timely. Now external users are like lenders, the bankers who have given loan to the business. They need to understand the health of the business, the loan repaying capacity of the business, timely interest paying capacity of the business. Then the creditors or the suppliers, they need to understand what is the liquidity position of the business. When we say liquidity, it means the cash or the cash equivalents by which we pay our creditors. Then the various tax authorities, they need to understand whether our calculation of profit or our calculation of various duties and the payment of tax is correct or not. Then there are potential investors or prospective investors who want to understand whether they should invest into this business, whether the return from this business will be as per their expectation or not. So these are basically different kinds of users of accounting information. Try to go through the video again and understand the concept very clearly, as it will help in understanding the advanced stages of accounting. Thank you.